2014 Mazda Miata. We're going to change out the speakers. I'm going to put an Alpine 6x8. There's Twitter there. First thing we're going to do is to remove this panel behind the handle. That simply pops out. There's a screw there. The second part is we're going to separate this door handle. There's a little crack. You just gotta pry that out. So you have it out. There's the screw inside. Part is inside a cup holder, diagonal. There is one more screw there. So once you remove this screw, and this one in the cup holder going this way, you just simply pry the skin out. Lift it up. Pop out the door handle. Put it in there and disconnect the speaker wires. Remove 4 screws. Speaker comes off. However, this tweeter is a 1-inch tweeter with a 3.5-inch speaker basket here. You just have to replace this tweeter. Take these 2 screws out, pop this out, new tweeter goes in there.